God is the master and creator of humankind. Everything belongs to Him, and to Him will the glory, worship, and adoration should be directed. The Shillong All Faiths Forum stands for unity in diversity. We believe that the fabric and foundation of our beloved country depends on respect of the diverse races, languages, cultures, and faiths. The Constitution of the country, Articles 25 to 28, gives us the right of freedom of religion. The members of the Shillong All Faith Forum are saddened by the incidents of violence against any faith or race. The Shillong All Faiths Forum strongly condemns the act of violence against the Christians and the place of worship in Narayanpur district of Chhattisgarh. The sacrilege that was committed against the sacred objects is abominable and punishable by the divine. We urge the people in authority who had taken the vow to serve and protect the citizens of the country to bring such acts of hatred to an end in the state and the country as a whole. We offer our prayers to the affected people and the people who caused this menace. We will continue to pray for our political leaders and all those who are in authority to bring peace and justice to everyone.